welcome to Come Draw With Me. Today we're going to draw Labubu in a Patrick Star costume. Two of the cutest character ever is becoming one. Let's start with the shape of the Labubu face inside that Patrick's costume, I mean. Now the eyes is just one circle, another one a bit smaller, and then put them together, add blacks around it, and another bigger circle around it, and then we made the eye. That's it. Now the nose and the mouth of the Labubu with the set of teeth that is so Labubu. And I'm going to start drawing the shape of Patrick. Doesn't have to be the exact same, but as long as you make it fluffy on the edge, it should be alright. And now the arm, another arm there. Now the body of the Labubu, still wearing the costume of Patrick. And the pants for the Labubu, the trousers, is also the trousers that Patrick's wear in the show. Don't forget to add the feet as well. Oh, and the Labubu is actually wearing a purse in the shape of, you guess it, Patrick. It's a bit hard to make the face of Patrick here, so I'm just going to try to be really careful about it. And okay, and now the pants. That looks like a really cute mini Patrick there. And now the strap for the purse, and let's continue on with the rest of the costume and the rest of the Labubu as well. The hands, we have the feet and now the hands. Oh, I forgot about the face. The face of Patrick is there because it's a Patrick Star costume. So I'm going to add Patrick innocent eyes, goofy eyes there. And there are no eyebrows in the example pictures, but I'm going to add it anyway. And we're almost done. Now let's just start with the outline for the whole pictures on the outside. Like that. Just slowly around the edges. If you make a bit of a mess, that's quite alright actually. The outline will be useful when we color the pictures later, but just try to do your best. Doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you're having fun, that's the most important thing, is to have fun. Slowly on the edges, and almost done. Take care. Let's add the white on both sides of the eyes to make them shine. We've done Patrick's, now let's do Labubu's as well. Oh, so shiny, so cute. Look at Patrick's face, just look at it. Both are very cute. Okay, we're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.